Good morning everyone, another sunny day here on Koh Chang. I think I'll mix this video up a little bit, put some footage on of the of a trip out in a kayak and maybe just some beach scenes. Well, just a few minutes up from the beach where we're staying, there's a little lagoon right in front of us now. I was told there's an abandoned ship hotel, or I don't know if this actually was a ship or if it's a hotel that was just made to look like a ship. But I'll take a paddle inside now and see how close I can get to it. Well, I'm getting a bit closer. I think the next stop is when I get inside there. I can't actually film while I'm rowing. There's nowhere to put the camera securely and I don't want to lose it. Well, I've just come in from the sea now into this lagoon. I don't know if it's a river further up or something. I don't know if these are the ship things that people were telling me about. Well, there's a huge building down the end. I'll see how far I can go down. But these don't look in too bad a condition, to be honest. I'll just keep going, see where I end up. I think I need to come here with a drone. The weather's nice, but it's a little bit breezy in a kayak and getting chucked everywhere. But that down the end looks like a disused or abandoned ship. I don't know how they got it in there, or if it was just built, made to look like a ship. But I'll keep going. Lots of abandoned buildings here. Must have been a nice resort at one point. It don't look like this was to do with COVID though. It looks like it's been closed down for a lot longer than that, but I'm not sure. Well, I'm right inside there now. Lots of abandoned buildings. This resort must have been huge at one stage. I don't know how much further I can keep going. I did see one guy in one of the buildings. I don't know if there's any still being lived in, but I'll just go down the far end there and see what's there. Wow, what an amazing place. I can't believe that somebody's not living in some of these. There's a kayak there, so maybe that one's being used. I don't understand how that ship got in here unless there's a way in from the sea. But it was a really nice place once upon a time. I'll just go up to the end, just in case it goes round the corner or something. Well, this looks like it, as far as I can go. I'll tell you something, I wouldn't like to come down here in the dark. But I think I'll come down here again with my drone when it's not so windy. Oh, what an amazing place. This should make a nice video. Now it's the long trek back. That's the sea in that direction. But it looks like a nice day, but it's blowing quite a bit, making it a little bit more difficult to paddle. Well, before I go back, I just found this other little place I've managed to row into. I don't know if it was this shape before or this was dug out for a resort. I can hear somebody with a strimmer behind this boat somewhere, so there must be somebody living in the area. Can't see him cutting the grass for nothing. Right, now the long trip back. Right, well that's it. Just about to go back out to sea. At least I got the breeze on my side this time. So I think I'll call it a day for that. That's my exercise done for today. Just cooling off. Short kayak ride. It really is a nice location here. Massage on the beach, sunshine, restaurants. That lady there, she's about over 80 years old and she goes snorkeling. She used to be a diver. But I can't believe Tina went back 2 days ago, and since she's been gone we've had nothing but sunshine. I'm starting to get a bit hungry now, so I might go to this lady's restaurant here, the Bamboo Hut. See what they got today. Even got a beach shower. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Great after a dip in the sea. I'm good, thanks. You? How's the restaurant? How's your restaurant? Busy?
I have some customer in the afternoon.
Okay.
But evening.
Okay.
Oh, I have many customers.
Okay.
And evening for breakfast and afternoon some people, and outside they come for relax or swimming. I have some. Thank you very much.
Perfect. I'll come and see you later.
Okay, for massage.
Food nice? Food nice?
Food.
Food, yeah,
Food.
food.
ผัดกะเพรา
Food.
Okay, I'm off for a walk now.
Maybe see you later
Okay, bye bye.
for some beer.
Bye bye. Well, as you can see, I'm back on the tropical beaches of Koh Chang. I did come back out here for a month, and now I'm 1.5 weeks in to my month. I never posted anything before because last week the weather was terrible. The first week it rained most days, quite strong. The start of this week wasn't great, but we had some sunny spells, but today is just beautiful, absolutely stunning. So my morning routine now is have a walk down the beach in the sun, go back, have an hour or two on a kayak, a little bit of exercise, and then find somewhere to eat. But today is beautiful. Tina's gone back to Jomtien for a week or two, meet up with a sister, so I've stayed here alone. I just love the beach life, it's fantastic. This is the Bamboo Hut restaurant. Unfortunately, she doesn't have any chalets, so it's only the meals she sells and the beer she sells and drinks to give her a revenue. The night she opened, we came in, had something to eat, beautiful food, and she also does some cookery courses, as you can see on the board here. I had a Thai curry, which was fantastic. But the husband was working with her at the beginning for the first few days, but because of lack of customers, tourists, he's gone off to Bangkok to find some work, and the lady, or the owner, is here alone at the moment. dealing with what customers they do have. I noticed a few people in here yesterday. I try and come in a couple of times, you know, to give them a bit of support, but I think I've said in previous videos, we try and have something to eat in one place, then the next night another place, and just work our way along the beach, give everybody a little bit. But unfortunately for this lady, she hasn't got any chalets to give her any additional income. But lovely place, lovely location, all these places right on the beach, can't fault it. Getting all your necklaces out, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
You sell many on the beach?
Yeah.
All your customers buy them, yeah?
Okay.